The display of money by politicians, sorry po, siguro ako sa akin. The display of money by politicians and other people when interpreting the Quran channels has been questioned and violently reacted upon by netizens. What is your take on this?
First and foremost, good morning to everyone.
We all know that Karacha is one of the tradition here in Northern Sawan. As a thinking, good morning everyone. So, as it is within our tradition to dance and interpret the Karacha, and without it we cannot celebrate our fiestas, am I right? I think the display of money does not represent wealth or something like they are proud presumptuous, our government officials are presumptuous. Instead, they are offering an income-generating project for our municipalities. Every municipalities deserve to be offered a help because after all, we cannot leave harmonious province in a glorious community without helping each other. That would be